Charges have been dropped against D.C.'s former deputy mayor of public safety and justice. You may remember Chris Geldart was accused of grabbing a man by the neck after a disagreement this morning. He was cleared of any wrongdoing. Fox was in the Arlington courtroom, spoke with Chris Geldart for the first time since that incident. Sierra, what do you have to say?
Good evening. Chris Geldart and his attorney believe the judge made the right decision here in court today. They said no criminal offense happened, which is why the charges were dropped, and now they feel justice has been served. Hello, Mr. Geldart. The charges were dropped. How are you feeling?
Appreciative that the Commonwealth attorney did their job, did their due diligence, and they looked at talked to the witnesses and looked into the whole matter and came to the conclusion they did.
Do you regret your behavior from that day?
You know, Sarah, I've already said that. I've already said that. It's been in the post and all that. The way I presented myself that day is not who I am. However, I don't think any of that ever rose to the level of where we are today.
This is the exclusive video obtained by Fox 5 of the incident. D.C.'s former deputy mayor of public safety and justice was charged with assault and battery after a Gold's Gym fitness trainer, Dustin Woodward, accused Geldart of grabbing him by the neck after an argument over a door ding in the parking lot. 1 week later, Geldart resigned from his government position. In court, an Arlington prosecutor asked the judge for the charges to be dropped since this seemed to be a situation between two men whose tempers got the best of them. New evidence in court showed police body camera footage where a witness was interviewed and stated Woodward seemed to be the main aggressor, but mentioned it was mutual as well. The judge ultimately sided with prosecutors throwing out the case, saying the situation was not handled well by either party. Here's Woodward's message to the Arlington Commonwealth's attorney's office.
Y'all did a poor job. You all did a poor job. There is no excuse for what you're doing. Period. It wasn't justified. There's plenty of evidence to pursue that. You just chose not to. You know, this is another situation where the judicial system fails. That's all this.
Woodward said he's going to keep fighting because he's not pleased with the outcome. I did ask Geldart what's next and if he has a job. He said his focus right now is taking care of his family. Back to you.